So I will be. I did pretty good. You wanted to make sure I come and get that. And I see that. Right? Appreciate it. So, do this. I like to use this ease off. I could have had you record, which I know. That's right. I just let it sit. Touching this up. I got messed a little bit. Alright, so we're about to look now. This building is already done, and this one of my clients, one of these clients that I just we get to go in. Let me go here. Let me get that. So one of my clients that I have, she just give me the building, and we do them, and then I bill her afterwards. We have built up that trust with the integrity of our work. We have built up that trust with them that all we have to do is just, we build them after we do the work. So this one here, I don't know how hard it was for him to do, but it don't seem like this is one like was pretty dirty. So it's gonna be like a standard rate clean that I do for this one. All right, so what I do is 30 minutes, 15, 30. So upstairs is an hour and 45 minutes for upstairs. Minutes, 2 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours. The bathroom down here, 3 hours and 30. All right, so 30 again. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and bid this out. So if I was bidding this out, I would look at the kitchen and this living room, about 2 hours. Hour in the kitchen, hour and a half maybe, wiping all the cupboards and stuff out. And then the living room, that's 2 hours. I go in here and we have a room that's right here. I said 15 minutes with the bathroom, that's 45 minutes. So with this over here, this closet, we have a closet, we have a room that I would say we can do in 15 minutes, and then we have and bathrooms I give 30 minutes to. So the whole downstairs area, I would say 2 hours, 30, 15, 3 hours downstairs. 3 hours downstairs, and 3 hours downstairs, and let's see, don't count the stairs. Put 15 minutes in the stairs, with 3 hours downstairs, and what did I say? 2 bathrooms up here, so that's 30, and 30 is the other bathroom. So that's say 3 hours downstairs. So that's an hour right here. This room is 15. This middle room is 15. The other room is 15. So 2 hours upstairs. I'd say maybe a 5-hour job. I times it as a 5-hour job and I multiply by my hourly rate, and there we go. So, all right, let me close all this off.